Light is the presence of all colours. Valencia is light. Valencia is for you. Around here, we like swimming in the sea, running in the Chiria gardens, using the tracks, playing, cheering, clapping, sweating. Around here, we like going a step beyond. Getting together, participating, joining in any sporting event. Our city celebrates diversity. Meeting, point, set, try, triple, match, athlete, whatever the colour of your shirt. Here, we want you in our team. We have the best fields, the best courts, pavilions, swimming pools, and to enjoy it all, this weather. Great weather. Besides, to regain strength, for the third half, we have the warm embrace of the Mediterranean Sea. Our hospitality, our culture, our joy, the good vibes, and our incredible gastronomy. Valencia runs, serves, scores, dances, laughs, jumps, sails, shares, shoots, scores. You have to come and see it for yourself. You have to be part of this race. Because we want, above all, to enjoy with you at the start and at the finish line. Valencia Gay Games 2026. Valencia, the light of diversity.